So I just got the Ring Doorbell 3. This is what it looks like. It comes boxed like this. So when you open it up, you'll find the Ring Doorbell. And this is what that looks like. So I'm going to bring it up. This one has the video and it has the doorbell where you can press it. It does have a battery built in there, so you can remove the battery. And also it contains some other stuff. So let's open this up. So in here you have some screws for installation, and they're labeled really well. So follow the manual so you can see how they're labeled. They have the guide, and I believe they also have instructions on how to install it. And this is the user guide and also important product information. And you have a charger, and you have this screw thing, and this is for if you have a corner mount. You have this right here for the corner mount. Now when you get this, you want to fully charge it, so you're going to use the USB to charge it up before you even start installing this onto the wall, like this. So I push it like that. Okay, stop. So this is it installed and everything is working. We connected everything. Just follow the manual that comes with your Ring app, your Ring, and also connect the app so you can see the light is blue, and whenever I turn it on, it makes that signal and it starts recording. So that's it.